Hello guys, today I am going to teach you about the enum keyword in TypeScript. An enum is a group of constant variables and help us to make our code more readable. When we call a property of cake types, in this case is my enum, it returns its index, and when we call an index of cat types, it returns the name of the property. So as we can see, I created here my enum. It only takes to put the enum keyword before the name of your enum, and after that with curly braces you put the properties or the constant variables or whatever you want to call it. But in this case, if the enum is cake types, I'm gonna put the types of cakes I have. In this case, it's butter cake, pound cake, and sponge cake. So I have these three types of cakes. Then I have the function prepare cake. This function will take the index number of the cake type. As you can see, I have the argument cake type, and inside the function I compare if the index is equal to the butter cake index. Like this, I compare if cake type is equal to cake type's butter cake property. Because when we call, remember that when we call the property, it returns its index. And because we are calling the function with the property and we are comparing again with the property, we are dealing with the index. So if this is true, if the cake type is butter cake, then I'm gonna console log preparing and the type of the cake. As you can see here, I just access to the cake type with the index. Why? Because when we call the property, I get an index, and when I call the enum with the index, I get the property name. Also, if not, I just log. We don't have enough ingredients. Then I call the function, and after that I just do some interesting logs to see how it works. I'm gonna clear the console, compile the TypeScript file, and then run the TypeScript file, the JavaScript file. And as you can see, we get preparing butter cake. And also when we call cake types with the property butter cake, we get its index that it's 0 because it's the first one. And also when we call cake types with the index, we get the property name. So that's very interesting. And once we compile this, it generates this JavaScript. And as you can see, it creates a ktypes variable that it's converted to an object, and it assigns three different things. First, it assigns with the property name the index, and after, because this return the value, it assigns the index the property name. So if initially we have three constant variables in the compiled JavaScript, we have six properties, right? So just let me delete this and console log cake type. And as you can see, we have six elements or six properties in the object, right? And that's all. That's how we work the enum keyword in TypeScript. I hope it's useful, and bye bye.